Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Zafar, and today we're going to talk about how to make a Peru flag, and I also have so many more flags. So, guys, in the Peru flag, as you can see here, there are three vertical rectangles: one red, one white, and then another one red. So, how do we make that? So, the flag. So, import the model, import turtle as T, okay? And on this, our flag is Peru, Peru. Yeah. And then import turtle as T. Then we do screen equals to T dot. Oh, this has to be capital. Screen. Okay. And then the parenthesis. Then what we do is screen dot bg color is silver. Silver, because as you can see here, our background color is silver. Okay, now what we do is now we make our first vertical rectangle, the vertical rectangles. So define rec, so rectangle, color, comma, x, comma, y, which means the coordinates, comma, width, comma, height. Colon. Then what we do is T dot. Okay. Now guys, so like I want to do T dot pen up. So guys, before that, what is the width and what is the height? So as you can see here, this small thing over here is called the width. This here's the width. On the top, this top line here's the width. And this top bottom line here's the width. This long thing is called the height. Okay? And then T dot pen up. Because if we don't do that, we just write the go to, it's going to make a line, but we don't want that. So T dot go to, pen up means same thing as up. X comma Y, because we don't know the coordinate yet. We're going to write it at the end when we call the function. T dot pen down. Okay, down. Then what we do is now, so I want to fill in the vertical rectangle. So T dot color. Oh, color. Okay. And then what we do is, then T dot begin underscore fill. Okay. And then for I in range 2. T dot FD with, and then T dot RT 90. T dot FD height. Yeah. Height, and then T dot RT 90. And then we go outside of our I loop and do T dot and fill. And then what we do is now we call our function. So rec, so red, red, comma minus 150 and comma. So now this is our x-axis, and then comma, y-axis would be 100, so our point would be here then. And then what's our width would be 100, our height would be 250. Okay? And now let's run it. And it makes our first vertical rectangle. Then let's go with the other second vertical rectangle. So which is here white. Okay, and here will be minus 50. You'll see why. And then the width and height is the same thing, because as you can see, all three vertical rectangles are the same. Width is same, height is same, even and the size. And it draws our two like vertical rectangles. The first one which is red, and second one which is white. Okay? Then we go with the third one, which is red. Control V, this is now red. So now it's going to be here of 50. Now let's see what it would do. Now guys, I want to make it fast, so I can just do your t dot speed 0. That's the fastest you could ever do. So t dot speed, speed 0. And then and then take out the pen, t dot ht. Now guys, look what it would be doing. It goes so fast. It goes faster. Comment down below what is t dot speed 0. What is faster in it? Okay. Now I have more flags. There's some of the flags you don't know. Okay, the first one is called. This is our second flag. So now let's comment this instead of the import. Turtle last T. We still need to have that. And my next flag, where is it? Let me just go back. Yeah. And then T dot T to take away the pen is over here. Control Shift. Forward slash. Yeah, so this is some of the, I think most of you, actually, you know what? All the people watching this video might not know this country, but you can see what the country is. And guys, also comment down below what other countries you want. So this is main terrace, and as you can see, it has 4 colors exactly, but it's now horizontal. Now let's comment this. So now let's just go down. Okay. And then let's just comment everything on this flag, the one I just showed you. Now let's go down to our other flag, which is, this one is Honduras. And it's right, and it ends somewhere. Yeah, it ends over here. Okay, let's go up. Okay, that's Honduras. Speed is too fast. Yeah. So exactly, that's how Honduras looks like. So once started, so the rectangles are horizontal. The rectangles are horizontal. Okay. Dark blue, white, dark blue. And then one star in the center, in the horizontal white rectangle, white horizontal rectangle, a star here, a star here, star here, star here, star here. Okay? So that's our Honduras flag, country flag, and we can just comment this up to there. Yeah, that's it. Honduras, what do we have now? Oh, I think we have, Scotland. This might be our last one. This is our last one, I guess so. Scotland. So Scotland. Okay. No, so Scotland has a cross. So now let's go up. Okay. Yeah. So it's a cross and it's a white. And then that's how the Scotland flag looks like. Okay? So now as you guys can see here, so So now so for the Honduras flag, I mean, if we go up, and as you, yeah, and then these are all the country flags, yeah. So thank everyone for listening about my country, how to make all of these country flags. I have more, and I hope you like it, and bye.